Chapter 2. More about Windows 7. In this chapter, you will learn about basics of operating system, OS, features of Windows 7 operating system, personalizing your desktop, Windows Media Player. What you should know about operating systems. At the root of working of every other software in the computer is the presence of an operating system. It is a liaison between the user and the hardware. It is, in metaphorical terms, the operations manager of a computer. It manages everything in the computer, from input to memory management. It allocates CPU time and all other resources of the computer to the programs installed in the computer as per their requirements. It manages the following things: working of various software, CPU time management, primary and secondary storage records, devices connected, and other add-ons. In earlier days, the operating systems had a Character User Interface, CUI, which gradually developed into Graphical User Interface, GUI. The users in a CUI had to write textual instructions, whereas now a GUI allows one to interact with the hardware using graphics like icons and symbols for everything. For example, double-clicking on the My Computer icon twice opens the dialog box. Special features of Windows 7. Fact file. There is a God mode feature in Windows 7 which conveniently puts hundreds of settings from all around the operating system in one place. To turn on God mode, create a new folder on your desktop or anywhere you'd like and name it god mode.ed7B847-465E-825C-825C-9971204-3EO1C. The resulting folder will contain 270 items representing virtually every configurable option in Windows 7. Multi-window feature. Windows 7 allows you to display two windows at the same time. Instructions. 1. Open MS Word and MS Excel on your computer. Now, the one you started later will be the active window. 2. Right-click on the taskbar and choose Show Windows Side by Side from the shortcut menu. Arrow Snap. This is a feature in Windows 7 which allows one to place windows beside each other for better comparison. This is a different method but gives the same result as the multi-window feature. For snapping through the windows, you should drag the window to the left or right side of the display till the outlines of the contracted window appears. Tip: you can press the Windows key and the spacebar key together to view the desktop quickly. Thereafter, release the keys to restore the window you were initially working on. Arrow Flip 3D. This feature allows you to view all the windows open in your computer in a stack. This helps in selecting the window you want to open very quickly. To use this feature, click the Windows key and Tab together. Holding the Tab key will scroll through all the windows and you can release the tab key when you reach the document you want to work on. Windows 7 Aero Flip feature. Fact file. Enhanced calculator. Windows built-in calculator hasn't really changed much over the years, but Windows 7's calculator has a few extra tricks up its sleeve which you'll find under the View menu. It can do myriad kinds of unit conversion, temperature, weight, area, and 8 others. Quick Windows search. There is one common search option for all the folders and locations in the computer. You can just type the text you want to search at the top of any Windows dialog box or in the search box available in the Start menu. Windows will display all relevant documents, images, programs, or settings. The keywords from the text entered by you will be highlighted to make it simple for you to spot the file or program you need to look for. Jump lists. Jump lists are the files, folders, and links opened in Windows very recently. They would be on the taskbar for the programs pinned to the taskbar, and the rest of them would be on the Start menu. Pin programs to the taskbar. When any program is run on Windows, it shows an icon on the taskbar. Right-click on the icon and choose the option Pin this program to taskbar. This way, you can add shortcuts of your favorite programs to the taskbar. Personalizing your Windows 7. To manage desktop. Gadgets. Gadgets are mini add-ons on the screen that can be displayed on the desktop for quick access. Examples: clock, calendar, weather update, headlines. You can add and remove gadgets by 1. Right-clicking in the blank portion of the desktops and choosing the option Gadgets from the list. 2. Then right-click on the gadgets there and choose the Add or Remove option. Fact file. If you check out the network connections of most Wi-Fi equipped Windows 7 systems, except those with Starter Edition, you'll notice an adapter called Microsoft Virtual Wi-Fi Mini Port Adapter. This virtual adapter can act as a software-based access point. It takes a wired or wireless network connection and makes it available on a separate wireless network. This is called the Virtual Wi-Fi feature. Background. Personalizing your desktop screen wallpaper is very handy. You can choose wallpapers from the sample pictures or your own collection. To change the background of your computer, follow these steps. 1. Right-click on the empty space on the desktop and choose the option Personalization. 2. Choose the option Desktop Background in the dialog box Personalization. 3. In the new window, you can choose the location of the pictures where you want to choose the background from Personalization. 4. Select the picture you want to set as the background. 5. Click on Save Changes. Fact file. You can shift your taskbar to the top or left or right edges of the screen in Windows 7. Do it yourself. Try to change the screensaver using the same dialog box you used for changing the desktop wallpaper. Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player is a program in Windows that organizes and plays your music collection. It can also play songs from the Internet. It has options to create playlists and manage songs or listen to a specific genre of songs at a time. It also helps rip an audio CD to the computer. Rip CD to your computer. You can copy songs from a compact disc to the computer using Windows Media Player. Once the songs are copied, we can manage or organize the songs according to our own convenience, create playlists, or transfer. Steps. Open Windows Media Player from the Start menu. Insert the audio CD you want to copy the songs from. The list of the songs on the CD is displayed in the library. Select the songs you want to copy by clicking on the boxes against the songs. Click on Rip CD. To stop ripping the CD, click on the Stop Rip button. The songs will be available in the library once they are copied. Summary. Right-click on any running program on the taskbar and choose the option Pin this program to taskbar to pin the program for instant access. Jump lists show the list of latest documents opened in the program. The search feature in Windows 7 highlights the keywords from our search boxes. Copying the songs from an audio CD is called ripping. Ripping an audio CD in the computer can be done through Windows Media Player. Gadgets are additional accessories you can add on the desktop.